What is going on, guys? Welcome to the fourth video in learning MySQL. My name is QDS Dan and you guys watching my channel Korayowood. In this video we're going to see the features of the MySQL. What are the features that makes MySQL very popular and makes MySQL one of the most important softwares in the computing industry. Please subscribe Korayowood. As always, our programming videos will continue. At Korayowood, we are committed to bring you the best programming videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with my new videos. Alright, so MySQL, first to begin with, MySQL is very powerful. As we said previously, MySQL is very powerful. It has a lot of tools for every job, and it has a lot of APIs for every language that is available, and it's very popular among programmers nowadays, such as Java. It has a tool for Perl, it has a tool for C++, it has a tool for Python, and it has a tool for PHP and Ruby on Rails. And it's secure because MySQL is because it's open. It's free and open source. There are millions of programmers contribute to this project, and that makes it very secure and bug free. And it's portable because you can take it to Windows, you can install it on Mac, and install it on any Linux flavor or even Google OS, and has no issues with portability because it's a portable software. And it was written in C and C++ originally, so then that makes it portable, and that makes it very cool software, and it's compatible with every platform and every operating system such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Uses GNU, Automake, AutoConf, and libtool for portability. So what is GNU? First to begin with, GNU is a free and open source software. If you want to make your software that you're created or you written, you wanted to make it easily accessible to everyone, you guys need to provide a license. And who will provide that license? GNU is the GNU Software Foundation. Is an organization that makes deals with all sorts of free softwares, and they are responsible for issuing all sorts of licenses. There are different kinds of licenses. So that licenses aside, if you want to know all about the new licenses, you just drop a comment, and I'm going to make another video for new licenses because that's out of the scope of this video. So GNU has a lot of tools. If you're making software, say for example, if you want to make your software available under GNU, open and free source software, you guys need to GNU to issue the license for your software, and that's called GPL. GNU public license, that's called GPL license. It means it's easily available for every developer on this planet, and it is configurable. It is you guys can anyone can manipulate this one, anyone can contribute, anyone can delete your code as they wish. So it long story short, it creates a very good, diverse, and very powerful community, so to support your software. Alright, so to make it easily available and easily configurable and easily portable for every software, you guys need the three tools. It has to be Automake. You guys need the Automake tool. You guys need the AutoConf. It's very self-explanatory. It means it's automatically configurable. And you guys need the libtool, and that's a library tool for portability. Alright, so what is Automake? So Automake is that is something to install on Linux systems. So you don't need to write lengthy and complex make files. We just find the target, dependencies, flags, and etc. So for example, if you guys want your software to go and install on Linux like systems, you guys need this tool, Automake. So with Automake, we can go and install. There is a system called Automake. When we issue this command, and it goes install in every Linux size and every Linux software, our operating system. And autoconf is it means this is automatically generates configure script and it scans the existing tree inside the software for all the dependencies that are supposed to work on all kinds of platform. And libtool is simplifying the building and installation of shared libraries on any Unix, Linux systems. And there is another tool called the Auto Tools that and can handle cross-platform development very smoothly. And there is another tool called Auto Tools, and that tool can handle cross-platform development smoothly. And we go through this again. If you have a software and you want to make it free and open source and you want to run it on every platform and operating system, you guys need three tools: the Automake, Autoconf, and libtools. So this Automake can make it easy for install on all sorts of software, be it Linux or Unix like systems. And keep in mind all the supercomputers are Linux, Unix based systems. So it's a Linux. You guys need to make it available to every other software, and it has to be automatically configurable. And it has to be library tools for portability. And MySQL has all of these for portability, and that's what it is, portable. So MySQL is tested with all kinds of compilers. You guys already know the compilers. We have a C and C++ compilers, works on a lot of platforms, and it is fully multi-threaded. So multi-threaded is means that concurrent, and concurrent means that it's a process within a process. So it can start a lot of process, and it can start a lot of sub process within that process. And this one's called multi-threaded. As we said previously, that MySQL has APIs for major languages such as C, C++, Eiffel, Java, Perl, PHP, Python, Ruby, and TCL. You can use MySQL on any of these languages because it can provide API for C, C++, Eiffel, Java, Perl, PHP, Python, Ruby, and TCL. So if you make websites, or if you are planning to make websites and you know how to use HTML, or you know how to use Bootstrap, or you know how to use all your script, JavaScript, and you know how to use PHP, then there is another platform that you guys need is a MySQL to connect your websites to the storage engine. So same as goes with Perl. If you guys know Perl, keep in mind that MySQL has also API for Perl, so you guys can create awesome websites, and you guys can use this one for your MySQL for your storage engine. Same as Python and Ruby on Rail, and TCL. Python has a Django, and through the Django you guys can go and connect to MySQL. So look at here, MySQL has a very diverse community here that provides the API for all these major languages, all these top languages, and to make it easy for every programmer around the planet to use the MySQL for their storage and database engine. Easy to add another storage engine, and uses very fast B-tree disk like MyISAM with index compression. So MySQL also works with another storage engine, keep in mind. So one thing to note is that MySQL can work standalone, can work with any of these softwares here above mentioned, with already mentioned programming languages. And also MySQL can work with another storage engine, say from another database. Say for example SQL, there is a SQL, MS Access, there is a lot of other softwares, and can easily work with another storage engine, and it uses very fast B-tree disk tables, MyISAM. So keep in mind MyISAM is a storage engine, and that's very complicated, and I'm going to explain to you all in future videos. So we're going to go through MyISAM, what's the storage engine, and we're going to go on the fast B-tree disk tables and index compression. We're going to go through on this one. MySQL is tested both with commercial and open source memory leakage detectors. So one thing with which is very dangerous with your storage engine or your database is a leakage. You don't want your memory to leak. You don't want all your customer details or credit card details, customers' date of birth, and our customers' information to get leaked to anywhere inside the websites or inside the HTML or inside any other operating systems or on live websites. So it's just like a container that holds the water. The first thing you guys check inside the container, or glass of water, or bucket of water, or anything that deals with the liquids, you guys make sure that it doesn't have anywhere leakage, or you guys dealing with oil or petrol, or you are driving a car, because that container contains something liquid, and that's very vulnerable if it has a leakage, and that's very dangerous. So same as you guys having a house, you guys make sure that your house is not leaking, or your house doesn't have any hole or anything, so the hot air or cold air is coming inside your house. Same as MySQL, because MySQL is like a container. It contains everything from the users images all the way to users videos, users date of birth, users all sorts of personal information, and that should be private and that should be confidential. And MySQL make sure that is remains be the case. Otherwise, if you have a MySQL something that is people trust, and put all the customers details, such as if you go for Amazon, Alibaba, or any other e-commerce websites, or say social websites, so people trust on you and you trust on MySQL. So for your data to be, for the data integrity, and the data privacy and confidentiality, and for the secureness of the data, how your data is secure. And MySQL make sure that they test their software with the commercial and open source memory leakage detectors, because the open source, there are a lot of tools available in commercial, and there are a lot of tools available on open source, and these tools called memory leakage detectors. So MySQL is for everyone's peace of mind, and for their own peace of mind, MySQL test their software with the commercially available memory leakage detectors and open source memory leakage detectors. So this is one features of the MySQL, which is very good and it's very powerful, and it gives everybody peace of mind, be it the people, the guys inside the Google, or the guys inside the Facebook, or the guys inside the Twitter, because they know at the end of the day that the MySQL is very secure and very safe, because MySQL test their website constantly, test their software constantly with the commercially available memory leakage detectors, and also at the same time open source memory leakage detectors for the data integrity and data safety. The server is available as a separate program for use in client servers networks environment. So this is a brief features of the MySQL. And in the next video, we're gonna go on the client server network environment. And the last one is here: the server is available as a separate program for use in client server's network environment. And in the next videos, we're gonna go through this one: client server network environment. What is client? What is server? What is the database? So at the end of these videos, you guys are going to be aware, and you guys are going to be the master of the client server network environment, and you guys are going to be the master of the MySQL. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.